Tell us what you got here.
We got a 59 Willys pickup with an LS3, the Muncie M22. It's on a 79 Wagoneer chassis.
That's clean. Do a little walk around on it.
Front and rear posies, 410 gears. Got custom aluminum bed.
Can we peek inside real quick?
Oh yeah.
Wow, look at that. You can eat off that thing, huh?
Custom headliner. They never made it. They were always cardboard. Got leather buckets, tilt.
That's a lot better than cardboard, man.
AC.
So this bed here, you got a nice bed.
Hey. Fucking 40s.
Oh Jesus.
This guy drove it down from Union City. He bought that rack from me off my old Jeep. Off my Jeep.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I put a different rack on it.
that's
He's
what
got a
he came here
fucking
for.
40-inch tire hanging off the back of this thing. Dude, he's got 170 grand into that thing. It's got a Whipple supercharger on it.
That's a clean Willie.
He goes, I mean, this guy was so he goes, yeah, I was going to drive a Dodge down here, and that's got 40s on it.